Wagwan people, your boy Andre again, and the Jamaican A sound is responsible for about 80% of our accent. I'm going to show you how. Coming up after this. Welcome back to the channel where we teach the language of Jamaica and the food part for preserve the Jamaican culture. So we touched upon the letter A in our earlier lessons, when me refer to as the dominant A, and we cover it extensive. But today, we're going to focus on the three main way it shape about 80% of our Jamaican accent. All right, so the first way we're going to look upon are the long A vowel sound. And in English, the letter them we make up that, them sound like A, if we phonetically sound them out. In a Jamaican, sound like ear. So A for English and ear for Jamaican. And this usually works for all applications. So a word like bake in a English would be bake in a Jamaican. Rate in a English would be rate in a Jamaican. And plate in a English would be plate in a Jamaican, just for name a few. So that are the long A vowel sound in a Jamaican, and that are one way how it influences with accent. The second way we're going to look upon are how the short A vowel sound. Now, in a North America, it make more of an A sound, but in a Jamaica, all of we short A them is more of a relaxed A sound. So if you want to look upon a word like this, in a North America, then I probably pronounce it bag, but in a Jamaica, we pronounce this bag with a relaxed A sound. A couple other examples of the word with the short A are like cap, which would be cap in English, gap, which would be gap in English, and Rastaman. You get the drift. Now, the short A sound also replaced the short ER, OR, IR, AR, and UR sounds. So a word like paper in English would be paper in a Jamaican. Later or later in North America would be later in a Jamaican. The short A vowel also replaced the short O vowel sound. So a word like doctor in English would be doctor in a Jamaican. Helicopter would be helicopter. And pot would be pot. One last thing before we wrap this up. Now, words with a TION or SION endings usually get replaced with a an sound. So a word like extension would be pronounced extension, or decision would be decision. And that are how the short A vowel affect with accent. The third way we're going to look at how the A sound mostly affect the Jamaican accent are when we use an extended R sound to replace words that contain the long AR, R, or the long OR sound. For example, a word like yard in English would be yard in a Jamaican. A word like order in English would be order in a Jamaican. So basically, when you have the long AR or OR sound, we usually replace it with the extended R sound. More examples. So hard would be hard, and some Jamaicans eliminate the H sound altogether and pronounce this hard. Corner would be corner, or ornament would be ornament. And that are how the long R sound also affect with accent. So with what you just learned, even how we say the word Jamaica in a Jamaican, we pronounce Jamaica. Even though some people say Jamaica, but you get the idea. So for recap, we pronounce the long vowel A in a Jamaican, E. And the short vowel A make a relaxed R sound. And it also replaces the short O and R sounds. And we use the extended R for the long R sounds. All right, so we're at the end of another video, and we're going to continue with the pronunciation. So you can sound more authentic in your speech, but we're going to leave it here for today. So thanks again for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. But always, until next time, see you up on the next one, and take it easy.